Welcome to our lesson on expert viewpoints in the cybersecurity field. Today, we will delve into insights that shape this dynamic industry and discuss key perspectives from leading professionals. As we learned in the previous lesson, cybersecurity is essential for protecting digital assets. It involves a range of practices to safeguard data integrity and privacy in our increasingly connected world. This quote by Bruce Schneier highlights an essential truth in cybersecurity. It's a continuous process that requires vigilance and adaptation to new threats. Industry leaders consistently emphasize the importance of ongoing education in cybersecurity. As threats evolve, staying informed and proactive is crucial for effective defense strategies. As we explore cybersecurity careers, it's important to note the diversity of roles available. From analysts to engineers, each position plays a crucial role in defending against cyber threats. Understanding the challenges in cybersecurity is essential. The complexity of threats requires tailored responses, and resource limitations can hinder effective defense strategies. This quote serves as a reminder of the inherent vulnerabilities in technology. It emphasizes the importance of constant vigilance in cybersecurity practices. Looking ahead, AI and automation are set to transform the cybersecurity landscape. These technologies will enhance detection and response capabilities, while increased regulations will demand compliance from organizations. To succeed in cybersecurity, both technical and soft skills are essential. Familiarity with networks and systems, along with strong communication and problem-solving abilities, enhances effectiveness. Certifications such as CSSP and CH are highly valued in the cybersecurity field. They not only demonstrate expertise, but also reflect a commitment to continuous learning in this dynamic industry. This quote reinforces the idea that security is an ongoing process. It requires continuous effort and adaptation to new challenges. Building professional networks is essential in cybersecurity. Joining networks and finding mentors can provide valuable guidance and open doors to new opportunities in this field. Analyzing case studies and gaining hands-on experience are crucial for understanding practical applications of cybersecurity knowledge. These experiences prepare you for real-world challenges in the field. Ethical considerations in cybersecurity are paramount. Professionals must navigate complex moral landscapes while ensuring compliance with legal implications to protect both organizations and individuals. This quote by Peter Drucker reminds us to adapt our thinking in turbulent times. In cybersecurity, staying ahead of threats requires innovative approaches. As we conclude, remember that continuous learning and adaptability are key takeaways from this lesson. The cybersecurity field is dynamic, and staying updated is essential for success. As you move forward, continue exploring cybersecurity topics. Each lesson builds on the last, and engaging with industry experts will enhance your learning experience. To further your knowledge, consider reading cybersecurity books and exploring online courses. These resources provide in-depth knowledge and structured learning opportunities. This quote by Peter Drucker inspires us to take charge of our learning journey. In cybersecurity, proactive engagement is key to shaping the future. Thank you for joining this lesson on expert viewpoints in cybersecurity. We hope you found valuable insights that will guide your future learning and career in this exciting field.